How to change voice search language on YouTube on iPhone 8 Plus. If you want to change the language YouTube uses for voice search, this setting is generally controlled by your iPhone's language and keyboard settings, rather than a separate voice search language option inside YouTube. So first, open the Settings app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Tap General, then select Language and Region. Here, you can change the iPhone language to the language you want to use. You can also go back to General, tap Keyboard, and select Keyboards to add the language you want to use. After adding the desired language, open YouTube. Tap the search icon at the top of the screen. Next, tap the microphone icon to start a voice search. Speak in the selected language, and YouTube should recognize your voice accordingly. And that's how you can change the voice search language on YouTube on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.